Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the ways we can iterate over map. So I guess in past I did some videos regarding map iteration, but in this video we are going to cover some more things like after Java 10, there is something we don't need to use in the iteration, some optional ways of doing that using the var keyword. So basically, instead of you are specifying the variable name, you can use the var and you can iterate. It's basically less code, but it's the same. So first we can create a map, then we will do the things one by one. So I am keeping my existing code here since this will not take that much time and that much coding, so we can use the existing things and then we can do the rest. Okay, so here, so we are adding a map here and we need to add some values. Map dot put all, not put all, just put, and we will do some, so string and integer, that's the one. So what kind of things I will add here? So probably country code and the region, country code for different different countries. So maybe we can have duplicate also. So these things are fine. So here and so okay. Um, Country codes. So we need only some of the codes for North America. For so I mean little bit trouble here. So 201, 204. Okay, this is oh man, this is very oh god. IST country code international. Okay, got it. But some of them sometimes it's very difficult to search in Google. So right now what I did is I went to ChatGPT. So they provide correct response. United States and Canada +1, Australia 6-1. So I need only this much of information. Okay, so how we can do that? So the first one, entry set. So entry means all the integer. So that's the entry set. So let's see how we can do that. So there are a couple of entry set is the only option, I guess. Entry set and iterator, not entry set. And not only on entry set, we have the iterator. So we will see both after Java 8 and also after Java 10, and they also all the ways probably. So the first one, iterator. Okay. So in this video we will cover all the ways using iterator and map entry. Okay. So these things we can do in different ways. So the one of the ways that I said before Java 11 and after Java 11, not Java 10, I guess. So here, since it is I'm writing Java 8 code here, so I need to specify what I should have in an iterator. So I am creating an iterator here. That's the only first. That's the only thing we need to. So this also based on entry set. You are taking the entry set first, then you are taking the iterator map. Okay. So here what they are saying. So change variable. So this should be string integer. Okay. So everything is fine. So right now, so I got the iterator. I can use the while loop and check whether I have a next element as next. And I will open a bracket here, and in here I need to specify the string integer. Okay, so here value, then next, then what I'm going to do is just gonna print that get value, get key, and so what I need key is this one and the value is that one. So value get key will get the key, and what is next? So probably I will put a comma here, and after that we will print get value. So these things are fine. So let me run this and make sure everything working fine. Then we can go to, so here Kara value 1. So this is before Java 10. So right now we are going to the Java 10 solution. So there is nothing, only the variable will change. So you are just making it one. So since I have already one element here, so I can use this one, and also here also you can use some more. You don't need to specify the text, or you don't need to specify the type here. So lot of boilerplate code you can remove. has a advantage using war. So here also, if you need, you can run again and make sure everything works fine. So here I got an exception here since I am using another variable here. So that's basically a mistake. So this thing fine. So we did using iterator map entry and we did the remaining. So that's only cover one scenario. So for each and map entry. So that's exactly same like this. You are taking only the value until here. So I'm using the Java 8 ways of doing that. So let me add here using for each and map entry. Okay. So this is another way. What I will do, Java 10. Yes, it's introduced in Java 11. That was my understanding, but Java 10, I saw somewhere Java 10. I don't know. Anyway, that doesn't matter for us. The thing that matter for us is like creating a for each. So for each, only and map.entry_set, and you need to specify here string and integer pair or anything. You can provide the name or anything, any name that you can provide. So map country code reset. So these are the intersect is the main point here. For all these things, for all these scenarios, you are using the intersect is the key. Then only you are finding the remain. So here I'm keeping the same things here. I don't want to type it again. So entry set also like iterator you need to assign that value into entry set, and there is no difference on that. So these things also very easy. So let me do Java 11 or Java 10. Let me clear that stuff. When what keyword reduce in Java. JDK time. Okay. So you can keep that in that way. There is no change. Just use the or pair. It's fine. So that part also we completed. And what will be the next one? Using for each. Okay, that's another way. So you have the map country code. Just click on for each, and inside that you have the key and value. So this is one of the fastest ways, I guess. So this is you just out the same way we are done there. So the only changes here, key and value. These are the one of the best ways based from my experience. So using for each. So probably in interviews or something, people will ask how many ways you can, right? So in that case, if you're just only for each and iterator, so this also a for each and map entry for each, just for each and Java 8. So you just go to this one. That's the best option, I guess, in this kind of scenario. Then they are asking for another ways. You can use the another ways. Another way of doing is like keySet. So entry set and keySet. Keyset means you will get the key, and from the map itself you need to take the map. You need to take the value using keyset. So that's also for each loop, and you need to specify. So what is your key? Since it is string or anything, you can specify that here. Country code keyset is automatically popping up. So I'm just adding that, and here use the same thing here, but not the same. Should be different. So what will so the key set, you will get the key here. Okay, then you need to map country code again here. Get this one. So this one is little bit different ways of doing. So that's fine, I guess. So let me do one more thing. So here what I can do is, so Java 8 ways of doing the key set. Java 8 ways of key set. You will stream or for each. So for each will give all these things, and you can use the same ways, right? So for each, here you have only one value, and you need to use the start here, System.out.println. Then use the same way that you did in the above context. So use the same way. So there are a lot of ways you can do this. So, but these are the major things like keyset. Keyset is the fourth one, and we are using the Java 8 version for that. Okay, keyset and iterator. So the same way, you are getting the keyset here like this. Okay, copy this one. So keyset and iterator, you will have only one thing. Entry set, you will have all the entry, right? So but for keyset and iterator, you will have only the one iterator here. So keyset, and it should be string. Okay, so I got it, and from here onwards, what I need to do, it.hasNext. Then what we can do then, the same way. Seen a node next, and the value you need to change this one, change variable string value. And what we can do here is system.map.entry. Okay, map.get, that's the same thing. So you should have this one. You should have get value, get here. So it's actually a same thing. Only the value, only the iterator will change. Basically, all of these things are the same. There is no difference. There is no difference at all. And you can make it in war here if you need. So that's another way. And for using for and map entry, iterator Java each stream API intersect stream for each iterable map of Apache collection. That are the third party libraries. So we need only this much. So keySet and Iterator, that was the fifth one. So let me point out that here. keySet and Iterator. Okay. keySet keyset and iterate. So these are the ways we can actually do this iteration. So let me commit all of these changes into my GitHub. So there are a couple of other things also. It's actually like it's actually so many problems. So yeah. So I mean, so many coding challenges that I did, and I will share the URL for that one. I don't know where is my. It's not logged in. So let me check whether it's updated. Where is my old repos? Your profile, your repositories. All apps, not that one. You can see my repository or pushes. So I guess it's another account. Also a lot of other accounts also. Sign out, sign in. Okay, got it. So you guys can take from here. So if I'm going here, I have one branch, the main branch. 1 minute ago I pushed some changes. So and we will have all of these things here. So coding application is here. So where I exactly made the changes. So which class? Test class 3. So where is my test class 3? Okay, test class 3 is in coding test. Okay. So in coding, I guess it's not here. Somewhere else. Test class 3, I cannot see any test class 3. So probably it's not push yet. Okay, so that's the thing. So I need to push that also to here. I push that changes, so you guys can take from there. Okay, so right now just reload. Test is here. No, that's not the one because it's probably another coding. So 1 minute ago, where is my one branches? Okay, so see main coding problem controller test. I have all of this. Test one, test two, test three. Okay, so everything is here. You guys can go through this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.